Hello everyone, happy new year. PoriyaNik here, and I hope you have a great day on second day of the January 2025. Last year on 2024, Bitcoin almost get crazy pump from 38k to 108k, almost like 183% pump. If you're missing something like this on 2024, I still thinking market can rise up from here. In 2025, I can see the market rising to crazy number. So you have to get yourself ready for crazy number for a Bitcoin on 2025. But before we are starting, I have to say thank you very much to all of you to supporting my channel because this channel start on 2024, and I'm so glad to meet so many of you, even in the person, a lot of new friends in Malaysia. And thank you very much to all of you to supporting my channel. It was so fun for me because this is my second channel. I started YouTube on 2019 in Persian language. So anyhow, that channel is not active anymore, but I have some plan in 2025. Let's see what's going to be happen. But I want to mention here, I'm going to be very active on this channel on 2025, and I need your support. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump to the chart and see what's going on the market. Let's start with the yearly chart for Bitcoin, and we can see last year Bitcoin almost from 38k jumped to 108k and gaining 183%. And right now we can see the yearly candle just recently opened, and we can see the body to body candle and hold above the 93,000. This is so good for a bullish. But if we back into this chart on the weekly time frame, still we can see the midband of the BB standing around 78k approximately, and Bitcoin still hold above the 89,500. This is very important for a Bitcoin to hold above 89,500. Otherwise, on the weekly time frame, definitely we can come and retest the 80,000, and midband can gain into that area. At the same time, we can see the SAR indicator coming and staying around $90,000. So that's why this support is very important for a Bitcoin around 89,500. And as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 89,500, can come and retest the $103,000 again. But of course, we have so many resistance in the lower time frame, but we check in the weekly time frame, and we have a special resistance here around 100,000. But longer term, definitely Bitcoin can rise up to crazy number like 130,000, 160,000, or 180,000, 200,000 on 2025. But right now, Bitcoin is still on this box, and as soon as the hold the $89,000 can rise up to 100,000 again. And if we be checking the MACD on the weekly time frame, still we don't see any cross on the MACD, but we can see some changes on the histogram. But still, as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 89,500, everything is okay. And if we break in the 89,000, a little bit dangerous for a Bitcoin, because as we can see, $80,000 again on the table. If I back into the daily time frame, as we can see right now, midband of the BBS standing approximately around 97,800. That's why, and 97,800 is very important. Possible to see the Bitcoin come and retest the 97,800 again, and retest back again to 96,000, and is important. Bitcoin hold above the 96,000, definitely can continue. If Bitcoin break below the 96,000, definitely we can come and retest the $89,500 again, and retest this support again. As we can see, the low band of the BB on the daily time frame also standing around here. But something is very interesting right now. I can see the SAR indicator standing approximately around 103,000, and we have a special resistance around here, and top band of the BB on the daily time frame is standing around 105k. As soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 96,000, definitely can come and retest the resistance. But we have to see if Bitcoin can hold above the 96,000, especially close above the midband around 98,000, then yes, definitely we can see the 103k. Otherwise we can come back to 96k, and lower support again around the low band around 90,000 again. For me right now, it's very important to see the Bitcoin hold above the $89,500. I'm still holding my Bitcoin position. I'm already top up to my position. I closed most of my trade before the dump, and right now I reopen again, but I'm still holding one of my big position on Bitcoin, approximately entry price around $4,000. I'm still hold that trade, and I didn't sell any of my Bitcoin because I can see the potential for a Bitcoin to rise up and continue to crazy number on 2025. So I'm not a seller. If I close in my any position, not means I selling my crypto. I'm not selling any of my crypto, and I didn't sell any of my crypto during the dump, but I closed in many of my trade, and I'm taking the big profit from my Bitcoin trade. So this is about the Bitcoin. So let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum also on the daily time frame, we can see it right now and very close to the mid band, and we have a strong resistance around 3,500 on Ethereum. As we can see right now, Ethereum didn't break this support around 3,300. I'm ping-ponging between this support and this resistance around 3,500. If you want to see some bullish on Ethereum have to close above the 3,500, come and retest the 3,500. Then yes, still 3,700, 3,800, or crazy number like 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 possible for Ethereum as soon as Ethereum hold above the $3,282. Something very interesting on the MACD, as we can see right now, MACD on the daily time frame, as we can see right now, histogram is very soon going to be changing the color. At the same time, we can see the cross on MACD, and this is going to be super bullish for Ethereum. As soon as the Ethereum hold above this support, definitely we can see the Ethereum come and retest the higher resistance again. And if we see the cross on the MACD, and if we see the histogram changing the color to green, definitely we can see the Ethereum come and retest the higher resistance, maybe this time or maybe soon. Even we can break in the 4,100, and we see the crazy number for Ethereum. Solana on the daily time frame, so powerful, and we can see the cross on the MACD, and we can see the histogram already changed. On the Ethereum, I'm already mentioned, if we can see the cross and histogram change, we can see the higher resistance for Ethereum. And right now we can see right now Solana already get cross and already changing the histogram. At the same time, Solana break above the 200. And as soon as the Solana hold above the 200, definitely we can see the higher price for Solana around 212, and we can continue to 225. We can see the top band of the BB also standing around here. At the same time, on the daily time frame, we don't see any breakout from the support around 184, and we can consider this is as a low, and still major support for a Solana standing around 184, $185, and important resistance for a Solana is 225. So this is all about today, and thank you very much again to supporting my channel on 2024, and I'm having so much plan for 2025. This year going to be very good, and I trying to run in my workshop. If you thinking you can have something good to present and teach to the people, contact me. I need your help to run in our workshop. At the same time, who using the Bybit right now? Use the VPN, and no problem. If you have any problem right now for a IP address right now, especially who using my link in Cryptozone, free VPN. Also, if you want to if you want to get a new account on Bybit, link in below. And if you're looking for a VPN, you can use in our link and register your account or change your verification to new account, and from the deposit bonus, and at the same time, and from the Cryptozone, get a free VPN. All the best for you. Love you guys, and see you on the next video.